the baby dolls back with another video. Today we have Miss Margaret, and we're going to be feeding her some dinner. I know it's only 4 p.m., but we're still feeding her early. You got anything you want to say to them?
Thank you for 12 subscribers on my channel.
Alright, so we will be making her food soon. Ready? Okay. I've almost got everything ready. Just let me grab some of... This is actually her lunch, not her lunch, her snack. Was gonna try washing dishes on the table on the camera, but sadly it did not work out. Which plate do you guys like best? This number 1, number 2. Let me take that off the sink. Or number 3. Tell me in the comments, and whoever comments first, or whoever's notification I get first, will be able to. That will be the plate I use in the next fake cooking video. Someone replied in my, I don't know why. Amber B's replied in my comment, or someone else's comment. Actually, I think that was Margaret's. I think I'm still on Margaret's channel. I'll have to switch it when I post this. So today I am going to be using the yellow plate. Just add a pinch of water. Yep. There we go. And there we go. You guys good? Oh, please don't fall over camera. Okay, I'll be right back. Just gotta finish making these, okay? So, then I will show you the final result and Margaret eating them. Here's it so far. Oh my God. Alright, here we go. Final result. Oh, one just fell. Oh my God. Come to the next part to see Margaret's reaction and her eating them. By the way, these are like little candies. Here's Margaret, and here's her reacting to them. Oh my God, they look so cool. I know, right? All right, ready to see her eat them? Here's her high chair. And now she's in it. Gotta go get her stuff for candies. Do you need me to feed them to you? Yeah. Like this. Alright, I'll show you when she eats them. Oh, wow, she balled up her crumbs. Let's go ahead and grab those. Ew, crummy crumbs. Ew. Well, you know what? I can still use them because she balled them up. So thank you so much for watching. If you're still at the end, then make sure to like and subscribe to Gabriella's channel, Margaret's channel, and of course, the channel you're watching. We love baby dolls. Make sure to watch all of my videos. I have over 400 entertaining videos, almost 500 entertaining videos that you guys can watch right now. So go scrolling down through my shorts, find those cool videos, try and like every single one. If you're already at your 5,000, only 5,000. If you're already at 5,000 liked videos, then I'm sorry. But thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day, night, or afternoon. And I hope you loved this video. Comment down below if you liked to watch my video. I will be making another one tomorrow. I make a new video every single day, except for Monday. I will not be posting on Mondays starting next Monday because I do dance and I'm in the competition team, and when I get off the bus, it's like 4, and I have to get to my bus stop I have to get to my dance class at 4:15, which it takes me 20 minutes to get to that class. So I will be a car rider, first of all, and I will not be able to post. I may post 1 short or 2 or 3 in the morning. Probably no more than that. Thank you so much for watching if you got to this point. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.
Oh, and they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the river.